Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook cod fish in an air fryer. First, ensure your cod fillets are completely dry, using paper towels to blot away any excess moisture. This critical step helps create that lovely crispy exterior we all enjoy. Next, lightly brush each side of the fish with about a tablespoon of olive oil, then season generously with your favorite blend of spices. A mix of paprika, garlic powder, and a good pinch of salt and pepper works wonderfully. Prepare your fish this way, and you are ready for the next step. Now, let's set up your air fryer for success. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 5 minutes before adding the fish. This preheating ensures an even cook and prevents sticking. Carefully place the seasoned cod fillets in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Avoid overcrowding so the air can circulate properly. Cook the fish for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping it gently halfway through the cooking time. This ensures both sides achieve that beautiful golden crisp. Knowing when your cod is perfectly cooked is key to a delicious meal. The fish is ready when it flakes easily with a fork, and its internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. For a bright, fresh finish, a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of finely chopped parsley really elevate the flavors. Don't hesitate to experiment with different seasoning profiles, perhaps adding a touch of smoked paprika for depth or a pinch of dried dill. Make it your own. Your delicious, perfectly air-fried cod is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately with your favorite accompaniments, perhaps a vibrant side salad, some steamed green beans, or roasted asparagus. A simple homemade tartar sauce or a creamy lemon dill sauce can truly complement the delicate flavor of the cod. This method provides a wonderfully healthy and flavorful meal that comes together in less than 20 minutes, offering a quick and satisfying dinner option any day of the week. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.